Welcome to HDFC Bank. Today, we will guide you on how to make income tax payments using your HDFC Bank Business Credit Card. Step 1. Log in to the Income Tax e-filing portal using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to e-pay tax from the main menu. Step 3. On the top right, tap onto the new payment option. Step 4. Now, under the Income Tax tab, click on Proceed. Step 5. Choose Assessment Year and select the appropriate payment type and continue to proceed ahead. Step 6. Now, fill in the required tax details and continue. Step 7. Review the Challan summary and go to the payment mode and select Payment Gateway. Choose HDFC Bank from the list. Step 8. Click on Pay Now and proceed ahead. Step 9 and 10. You will be redirected to the HDFC Bank Payment Gateway. Select the credit card option and enter your business credit card details to proceed. Confirm your payment. You will receive a payment confirmation message once the transaction is successful. Get 5x reward points with HDFC Bank credit cards. Terms and conditions apply. For more information, visit our website or contact our customer support. Thank you for choosing HDFC Bank for your business banking needs.